Alright, so we are currently on the road right now. We're doing a spark plug and coil pack change. We're upgrading to the dine-in coil packs, and we're upgrading to the NGK spark plugs. So we're doing a spark plug change today. And basically I just got BMW'd because I need Torx bits, and I need like an E18 and an E8 bit, so I need socket. So I need those two sockets. So I think I'm just running out right now. I think it'd be a good idea to buy the sockets and bolts so that I can just have them regardless. I don't have to worry about ever not having a socket or a bit ever again. And it's mine, so I'm never gonna misplace them. And yeah, so we're running to the store right now. We're gonna just go pick up two sets. We're gonna get the like the E8 and the E18, basically those two, like a set, and then we're gonna get the Torx bits, which is gonna be, I think we need a T. I have no idea what we need. I have no idea what we need actually. I think we need a T. Yeah, I have no clue. But yeah, we're gonna go pick that up. So anyway, I will see you guys once we're either halfway through or like starting it or whatever. But I don't know when I'm gonna vlog it, because I'm not gonna show you guys the actual change because that's gonna take way too long. We'll see. But I'll see you guys after. And yeah, we're doing this so that we can go stage 2, so that there's no issues, you know, with the downpipe installed. Once we do install that, I don't want any issues with anything whatsoever. So yeah, so let's get to it. All right, so there are no internal Torx bits, but there's external. So it's just an E18 and an E8 we need. There is no internal, meaning there's no Torx bits that are like T30s, T20s, nothing like that. So we're currently driving back to the shop, and check this call I'm getting. All right, we are currently back at the shop now. We have the covers off for the change. We have all of our Torx bits here and everything we need. Basically we have the Torx sockets, not bits, all the sockets we need, and we're gonna get started. We're gonna take off this little mount right here type of thing, and then we're gonna get that 6 plug right back there, and then we're just gonna get right to it. So I'll see you guys once this is done, because I'm not taking any extra time to do this. So I'll see you guys. Alright, so we have all our plugs and our coils right over there, and we're just going to continue to remove this strut bar and this gasket type of thing and then get to it. Alright, so it took a little extra work, but we got all the plastic off the top, everything off, gaskets, like the strut bars that go across. We finally have access to all 6 of the plugs, so there's nothing avoiding us up here. We have the gasket out over there, and now we have access to all the plugs, and should be a pretty easy install. So I'll actually record part of this for you guys. Alright, so we have all of them out. Now we're gonna have to worry about putting the new ones in. So here's a little review. We have the old ones here. They were not in great condition, but they're not in bad condition. Actually, they're in pretty bad condition, let's be honest there. Which is good, in my opinion, because that means we're doing some pretty good maintenance here. So, for the new ones, basically what you want to do is grab just this, and you're going to want to drop your spark plug in. So I'm going to go ahead and get one of these new plugs. I'm using the Laser Iridium. These are the 94201 spark plugs. And let's go ahead and open the box. And as you guys can see, they are NGK and they're perfect condition, as they should be. And you want to drop them in the back of this, push it. Takes a little push, and then push it all the way in like that. And then you're gonna want to just drop it in by hand. Don't actually drop it. And then I like to reverse thread it till you feel it drop into place. So I felt it drop, and now I'm gonna thread it normally. Okay, my GoPro overheated. It's because we're recording in 5K. But basically, we're just gonna do the rest of it. Hopefully, I think it's gonna overheat again. But you just wanna make sure these are nice and seated all the way in. And then you wanna screw them in. This is to 8 Newton meters right here. Something I also want to mention is the sensor. So the way the sensor goes in is you want to just push the sensor in. It snaps, and then you push that, and that pushes down here. So it snaps when you push in, and then you push this white part down, and it snaps in and locks. And these go to 8 Newton meters. Okay, while we have everything out, you're gonna make sure everything's in properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all good. We have all our old coils and plugs over there, and we're gonna go ahead and start the car just to make sure everything is done properly. And then we're gonna put together everything back that we need to do. So let's go and do that now. Moment of truth. Let's go ahead and start it. Okay, no codes, no nothing. All right, I think that is enough. RPM's dropped. Not trying to gas myself in here whatsoever. So, nice, all good. We have everything done correctly. So now, plugs and coils are in. They look great. And yeah, let's go ahead and put everything back together now. Okay, this is a little confusing. So the first thing that goes in is this plastic one, the gasket, like this plastic rubbery one, and then this plastic right here is gonna go in. This has the 10 millimeters that we're gonna drop in all over the place, and then that's just the first thing to put in.